Did you know you're being sabotaged as you're watching this video? Now, you probably don't realize this, but there are limiting beliefs inside you, stopping you from reaching your fullest potential. Now, if you want to know how to become aware of them so that you can overcome them, then stay tuned. I'm going to share with you 7 prompts that will help you to live in alignment and crush your limiting beliefs. Well, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie Ledwell, and if this is your first time here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down here so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now, if you're like most people, you probably don't realize what limiting beliefs are inside you or how they're stopping you from reaching your fullest potential. Now, your limiting beliefs are the real reason that you doubt yourself. They're why you may sometimes feel unworthy of opportunities right before your eyes, even when you've already put in the hard work. They even block your ability to be consistent in manifesting the law of attraction. And as long as you don't take the steps to erase your limiting beliefs, they will keep you playing small and never achieving your biggest goals. Now, in this week's video, we'll explore 7 prompts that may help you to uncover these limiting beliefs and help you live in alignment. Number 1 is, what does my ideal life look like? So start by envisioning your ideal life in vivid detail. Imagine your career, your relationships, your health, and your personal growth. Now, this exercise helps you to clarify your desires, and it sets the stage for dismantling limiting beliefs that might be blocking your path to this ideal life. Number 2 is to ask, what are my core values? Identify your core values, the principles that guide your decisions and your actions. Living in alignment with these means honoring these values. Sometimes limiting beliefs conflict with your values, creating inner turmoil. So recognizing these conflicts empowers you to resolve them. Number 3 is, when did I first encounter this belief? So explore your past to trace the origins of your limiting beliefs. Many of these beliefs form during childhood or even significant events in life. So by pinpointing their source, you gain insights into why they persist and how to challenge them effectively. Number 4 is, what evidence supports or disproves this belief? Examine the evidence that validates or contradicts your limiting beliefs. Often we accept these beliefs without even questioning their accuracy. Gathering evidence allows you to challenge their validity and to replace them with empowering thoughts. Number 5 is, how can I reframe negative self-talk? Now, negative self-talk, it reinforces limiting beliefs. Develop an awareness of what your inner dialogue is and replace self-criticism with self-compassion. So when you catch yourself thinking negatively, reframe those thoughts into positive and affirming statements. So for example, thinking I'm not smart enough, you can reframe that to, I am constantly expanding my knowledge and intelligence. Okay, number 6 is, who is my supportive network? Share your journey with your friends, your mentors, or a therapist who can provide guidance and support. Having a supportive network is crucial for dismantling limiting beliefs. Now, others can offer fresh perspectives and encouragement when you face challenges. Number 7 is, what small steps can I take today? Transformation doesn't happen overnight. Identify small actions that are aligned with your desired life. Now, these incremental steps build momentum and help you to confront and conquer limiting beliefs. And make sure that you celebrate each success along the way. Now, the next step is to start applying this knowledge and step into your limitless potential. So to help you to take that step, I'd like to invite you to join me and legendary personal growth coach Mary Morrissey on a free upcoming online workshop. The workshop is called The Ultimate Success Formula. Now, in this session, Mary and I take you deeper into the subject of limiting beliefs. We'll share some advanced limiting belief destroying tools and mind hacks not covered in this article, and we'll guide you through my Subconscious Success Imprint Exercise, an incredibly powerful neuro-linguistic programming technique that instantly evaporates your biggest limiting belief. Now, in its place, it rapidly installs a new positive empowering belief that leaves you feeling confident and inspired and unstoppable. Now, this session is 100% complimentary. but it won't be available forever. So click on the link below to grab a spot now, and I'll see you there. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.